don't forget to subscribe! Hit that bell icon too!
Now at the equator. What would happen if our planet suddenly stopped rotating? Today, we'll explore the catastrophic consequences across day and night, weather, oceans, and even life itself. The immediate event. Earth rotates once every 24 hours. That spin gives us day and night, shapes weather, and even helps hold our atmosphere in place. If the spin suddenly stopped, imagine a car moving at 1,670 kilometers per hour crashing into a wall. Everything not anchored to bedrock, buildings, trees, soil, oceans, would surge eastward. One side day, one side night. On one half of Earth, the sun would shine constantly. Temperatures would skyrocket. The sun would freeze in the sky at noon. The ground could bake over 70 degrees Celsius. The winds would blast eastward like 1,000 jet engines. On the other half, darkness would be eternal. Temperatures could drop below minus 100 degrees. The atmosphere might freeze and fall as snow. Only a narrow twilight band along the edge could support life. This permanent day-night split would divide the planet's climate into two extreme, massive superstorms. Earth's spin drives weather. Without it, the Coriolis effect disappears. No more predictable winds or hurricanes. Hot air would rise on the sunlit side, while cold air rushes from the dark side, creating global superstorms with winds over 800 kilometers per hour. Storm walls taller than skyscrapers could sweep across continents. Rainfall would become extreme, with oceans fueling massive inland deluges, then evaporating back into the cycle. Oceans shifting. Without rotation, water wouldn't bulge at the equator. Oceans would slosh toward the poles. Sea levels at the equator could drop hundreds of meters. Polar regions would flood. The Sahara could become a lake. Coastal cities would vanish underwater. Former seabeds could become dry deserts. Massive tsunamis would sweep across continents. Gravity and atmosphere changes. Earth's spin creates a centrifugal force that slightly reduces gravity at the equator. Without it, gravity would feel stronger. Your weight might increase. The atmosphere would compress differently, shifting winds and pressure. Planes and satellites would go off course. GPS would fail. Even the sky itself would behave strangely. Life on a stopped Earth. Plants on the sunlit side would fry from overstimulated photosynthesis. On the dark side, they would die from cold and lack of light. Humans would face collapsing agriculture, scarce or inundated water, and extreme weather. Survivors would be forced into narrow habitable bands along the twilight zone. Entire civilizations could be forced to relocate. Long-term effects. If Earth stayed stopped, seasons would vanish. Magnetic fields might weaken. Geological activity could shift. The planet could tilt or warp. Our world would become unrecognizable. Why Earth won't really stop. Thankfully, physics makes this impossible. Stopping Earth would require unimaginable forces, far beyond anything natural or artificial. But imagining this helps us appreciate just how precariously balanced life on our planet really is. Optional extras for extended videos. Timeline. Seconds, catastrophic winds and seismic shock. Minutes, ocean slosh. Hours, atmosphere reorganizes. Years, climate stabilizes. The twilight zone. A narrow habitable belt might support life for a time. Moon and tides. Without Earth's spin, tides in orbital resonance would be dramatically altered.